Hello folks, welcome to another video. Been a busy week so far. Lots been going on. Le Mans is coming along really nicely. That's a black Le Mans. That has actually moved under its own steam this week, which is really good. Interior's going back together. Yeah, it's got brakes. All good. We'll show you that in a minute. Right, outside. Okay, we know all about these. This is one of the ones we picked up recently that will be going up for sale. It's had a quick clean, but I am maybe got someone that might be interested in that as it sits, but we'll wait and see on that one. This one we made a bit of a boo-boo. Customer came to pick up on Saturday, and well, I say we made a bit of boo-boo. I made a bit of a boo-boo, and I didn't get it MOT'd. So the MOT was done Monday, and I'm delivering that back to them tomorrow in Sheffield. Great. I only got myself to blame for that one. Right, okay. That one there. That's the one Jake was doing loads of work on. That one. It had a full seal this side. Arches. This is the one that nearly caught fire with the battery. I don't know if you remember that. I'll put a link up there to that one because that was pretty bad news. And that is now, it's literally just come back from paint. So it's virtually, I think it's pretty much had a full repaint now. And as you can see, that's looking rather lovely. So that'll be going back together this afternoon. It's obviously a bit windy. It's quite windy here today. I think I mentioned that one in the last video. That's having the underseal. I think that's having a clear underseal. We're just leaving it to like the end of the week because customer said they might have us fit an exhaust. So I think Grant is going to get onto that tomorrow. So yeah, that's that one. This one's that one's going tomorrow. That's all been done. That was the underseal and what have you. Jasper Conran in silver. That one had an underseal. That's done. They're picking it up tomorrow, I think. This is the other one we picked up. Let's go out. I think I've got a buyer for that, with a load of works being done to it. That'll be a really nice car, that one. That's obviously an S Special in Laguna Blue, really rare. And that is, we've got the original wheels to go back on it. It's having a full respray. It's going to be really nice, that one. So yeah, you'll see that getting done on the channel. This one arrived today. You know, it's quite rare to see a Mark 1 in white. Most of it's white. But that is having, well, I've got to put together a package for the owner as to what to do, but that will hopefully be having virtually sort of, you know, full repaint obviously, and all the other works associated with that, and that will look really nice, because my personal opinion of a Mark 1 in white is I think they look great. So right, let's go into the workshop and see what everyone's up to. We had a bit of a problem with the ramp that Graham used to work on, in so much as it seized up, and it seized up with that blue one on it, and it's now dead, so we might be having to get a new ramp in there, which is a bit of a pain. Let's turn this radio off. Yeah, a bit of a pain with that, because we've got a chap lined up to come and work on that ramp, but there's no point in being here till the ramp's fixed. You're listening to your shouty music. Right, so you've seen this one on the ramp. This was the one that was all really crusty around the back end, and the arch welds were, well, they weren't welds, were they? They were
sieves.
The what?
Sieves.
Sieves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No longer.
Now has an arch well. Sweet.
So yeah, just doing the outer panel part, getting ready to go on, and then the outside's the same.
So that was sill end plate, inner arch lip, arch well, inner seal,
red box section, both sides.
Same, both sides the same basically.
Yeah, both sides exactly the same. So,
okay, and then this is having then a full under seal, MOT, and obviously the associated paint.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's been a bit of a mission, this one.
Yeah, it has, because we've been a bit short on time, because customer has a courtesy car, which means there's no flexibility on when it gets done. Yeah. So Roy's been flat out. Grant is on this 1.8 IS UK car that's come in. It'd been somewhere else previously, and I think it had failed an MOT on works, but one of the works was it had fitted one spring and shock, and the customer wasn't really very happy about that. They wanted to have at the very least the 2 rears done, and in actual fact when we got it up in the air we discovered that the existing rear spring was actually broken on this side anyway, so we're going ahead and doing all of them. There's a brake pipe being done, and a lot of other bits and bobs. I think are we doing a front sill on this as well, Grant? Are we doing a front sill on this one? Well, it's not on your list, but yeah. I think there's a front sill to do on it. I can't remember which side. Top of my head. Don't know. We'll see that when it gets done. And Chris is running away. Okay, we'll come back to you in a minute. Alright, we'll join Chris in a minute.
Yeah, we're back.
Ow!
So...
Stop whipping me. Stop it!
Well, I need to uncover it really. So yeah, I've been working on... So last time video was a startup video, wasn't it?
I think it was, yeah. I have said that it's moved under its own steam this week.
It did move under its own steam, so everything underneath is done. Like everything. There's nothing that we need to do underneath this car now other than the side skirts.
Yeah.
Calipers are on, bled, no leaks, that was good. So yeah, have a look. Got some trim going in now. Just in the process of doing the carpet, seats. So I'm just doing, it just takes so long, there's like little bits and pieces of trim. Oh, this is a good one. Let's talk about this, why not? IL Motorsport kick plates.
Right.
They look pretty OEM, don't they?
Well, except they say Roadster,
Yeah.
not MX5.
That can be done with a sticker.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking that maybe we'll get Matt to get a sticker made with a Le Mans. A Le Mans edition. But this is where it's like, this is like, you know, some people like, I do like IL Motorsport stuff, but something went weird with this one. It might have been the Friday afternoon guy holding it a bit wonky in the press. Give me a sec. Gareth can speed this bit up. We can just wait for me to unscrew it. Can't use them.
Can you? They're that bad?
Can't use them. See that hole?
Yeah.
And then
on a different line.
see that hole?
Oh,
and
wow.
then see that hole? And then see that hole? So if you ever look from, it starts there and comes all the way down there. I can get that one in, but that one's just not even the ballpark.
So you're going to set another set?
Well, we have to order a set.
Where did these come from?
The office.
We had them.
Yeah, they were just there. And I thought that would be great. Matt can just put like a Le Mans edition.
Yeah.
You know, and the kick plates, the second-hand ones we had upstairs were just marked.
Yeah.
Good, currently good. But you know, these are in a straight line, but they're not.
No.
That made me laugh yesterday. I was sort of like, what's going on here? And it took me like sort of 5 seconds to sort of like, hang on a minute, what's the deal here? Yeah. So I don't know.
Nice.
I don't know when maybe they punched these. I think that must have been wonky.
Been crooked, haven't you?
In the press machine. Some way. But yeah. So, but it will look nice. I'm going to leave them resting in there, and then because it hurts my bottom when I sit on the carpet there.
So we've got new carpet, haven't we?
Yeah, new carpet, seats gone in. I'm just doing some trim bits, and then got these surrounding here, scuttle covers. So I'm just literally doing stuff in the bonnet now.
Just before you go, this is part of the original green. Well, it's bit more than overspray, it's been sprayed.
Yeah.
But that's obviously from the green graphics that are on the outside when it was originally in its green and orange colours.
I thought I'm not cleaning it off.
No. So we've kept things like that, and things like, if you look here, that's the orange, and the red is in the inside. So yeah, keeping the history.
So I'm just literally going to put the scuttle cover on, some white glue. Everything is done. I mean, and it's going to go to paint. I think probably it could be this week.
Oh, cool. Right.
There's only so much I can do. I want to get basically. We're going to put the old roof back on it because it's going back to the paint shop. Then when it comes back from the paint shop, then I'll put the motor hair glass.
Yeah.
There's a little.
We need to get the wheels sent off, don't we?
Yeah, I think either
calipers have gone orange.
I think either next Tuesday or Tuesday after. I think it'll be.
Yeah.
Whether it goes to paint with these wheels off and we get these done. Just
Cool.
put these rubber covers on. Put them on. I've literally got hardly any more bits left.
So you're going to be on that Laguna Blue one next, aren't you?
I think I'll be on that Laguna Blue one by Monday or Tuesday.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah,
See you later.
it's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Really coming on, isn't it? It's been an exciting project, that one. So, and it's nearing completion now. It's amazing how quick it all suddenly comes together. You know, there's been a lot of preparation, a lot of painting brackets and this and that, and then all of a sudden it's nearly there. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.